Assalamu alaikum. This is very short tutorial. I will give you uh, some basics things in Microsoft Word. You can write a text, you can size it, left, right, or middle. You can assign proper assigning its alignments. I'm typing here for CV just a name. This is name and this will be the address. uh, and so mobile is here. Okay, all the text in center. Okay, name will be the bold and big, 24, and you can give them a proper font. Times New Roman is mostly used for document editing. Okay, so this text will be 12, and from here you can minimize or maximize the line space as 1.5 is greater, 2 is much greater 2.5. So normally 1.15 or 10 is used, mostly used. Okay, now give them a left align again. Here will be a paragraph for, just like in CV objective, your profile objective. What is your objective? I am eager work with commitment and with complete deadline. Okay, now you can show here your educational profile, education skills. Okay, so using in a table here, proper, this is the table. You can, this is only one column and one row. This is two column, this is three column. So this is three lines, two lines also. Okay, we are using here, if we used two column, three columns and two lines, so here comes be degree name, institute, or you can grade, degree, metric, institute, grade A. When you can press a tab, another row will be automatically created. So FA, Federal Board B, BA, B. So this is a document. You can practice it again and again, and you will be able to create and format the documents in Microsoft Excel. So this is the basic tutorial, and just practice it. So take care. Allah Hafiz.